Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take the Hepa filter out of Philips HomeRun 2000 series. To do it, you need to first take out the water tank and the dustbin. So to do it, just press on this blue button right here at the back of your device and take out the
dustbin and water tank removed.
Take out the bins. Now you can just open it here, so open it like that, and now you can take out the filter. You can clean it, you can switch it up for a new one, then put it in again, close that, and you can put the dustbin into the robot again. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.